in this video, I will show you the biggest Google Ad mistakes I have seen in local service businesses. These mistakes waste a lot of money and most business owners don't even realize it. I have audited many Google Ads accounts for local service businesses and I keep seeing the same mistakes over and over again. And then I will show you exactly how to fix them. Mistake number 1, wrong location targeting. This is one of the biggest mistakes that waste ad spend. You might think your location target is correct, but let's check it. I will take an example of roofers, but I have seen this mistake in almost every local service business. Now I search for roofer in Brisbane, but check this out. I am in Pakistan right now and I can still see ads for roofers who only serve Brisbane. Let's open their website. Here you can clearly see that they only provide services in Brisbane. Now think about this. How many people from other cities or even other countries are clicking on their ads? Their ad is set to show worldwide when it should only show in Brisbane. This mistake is wasting their lot of ad spend because they are paying for clicks from people who will never become customers. Now let me show you how to fix this. Log into your Google Ads account. Go to campaign settings. Find the location settings and check where your ads are showing. Make sure you are only targeting your service areas. By default, Google sets it to presence or interest. This is the problem. This setting makes your ad to show to people outside your service area, wasting your money. Change it to this setting instead. Presence, people in or regularly in your targeted locations. That's it. Now your ad will show only the area where you provide services. Mistake number 2, wrong keyword targeting. Now if your location settings are correct but you are still getting bad traffic, you might be targeting the wrong keywords. Let's continue with the roofer example. I searched for roofers but check this out. A plumbing repair ad is showing up. If someone is searching for roofers, they are not looking for plumbers. Let's open their site. Here you can see they actually offer plumbing services, not roofing. But their ad is showing for roofing keywords. Now the reason behind this, they are targeting the wrong keywords or too broad keywords. This does two things. It makes their ad irrelevant. When ad does not match what people are searching for, they don't click, or worse, they click but don't convert. It lowers their quality score. A lower quality score means they have to pay more for ads, making their campaign unprofitable. Fixing this is simple. You just need to do a proper keyword research and adjust your keyword settings. Go to your Google Ads account. Check your keyword list. Look for general or irrelevant keywords that don't match your service. If you are a plumber, remove keywords related to roofing. Use exact and phrase match. Avoid using broad match. Broad match can make your ad to show for unrelated searches. Phrase match and exact match help target more relevant searches. I will make a video on match types in future, but just for now, use phrase match and exact match in starting. Don't use broad match. Add negative keywords. Now, if you are providing plumbing services and your ad is showing for roofing, add roofing as a negative keyword so your ad does not show for roofing searches. This will increase your ad relevancy, improve your quality score and save you money. Now if these mistakes are in your campaign, there's a good chance there are more problems wasting your ad spend. I am offering a free Google Ads account audit. I will personally check your ad account. I will find mistakes that are wasting your ad spend. I will help to fix them so you get more leads for less money. If you are interested, you can reach out to me. All the details are in the description. I hope this video helped you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.